In this video, I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT to create professional, high-quality product reviews and comparison guides. Let's get started. I'm starting here on the ChatGPT home screen, and the first thing I want to do is set up a specific persona for the AI to follow. I'll move over to my notes and select a detailed prompt that defines my role as a product review writer. This prompt outlines the target audience, the tone, and a complete 10-part structure for every review I want to produce. I'll copy all of that text, head back to ChatGPT, and paste it right into the message bar before hitting enter. ChatGPT is processing the instructions and generating a full writing framework for me. It's laying out everything from the introduction and key features to the pros, cons, and a final verdict. I'm just scrolling down to review the layout and make sure it includes all the sections I requested, like the real-world use cases and the comparison to competitors. This looks great and sets a solid foundation for all the content I'm about to create. Now that the framework is established, I'm ready to write my first actual review. I'll go back to my document and copy a prompt that asks ChatGPT to write a full review for the Logitech MX Master 3 wireless mouse. I'll paste this into the prompt bar and send it. You can see the AI is searching the web to get the most accurate, up-to-date specifications. Once it has the information, it starts drafting the review following the structure we just set up. It's breaking down the ergonomic design, the tracking precision of the sensor, and the impressive 70-day battery life. I'm scrolling through the results to see how it handles the performance and comfort sections, as well as the detailed pros and cons list at the bottom. I want to make those pros and cons even more detailed, so I'll go back to my notes and grab a follow-up prompt. This one asks the AI to take the existing list, make the points stronger, and add an extra point to each side with more specific real-world context. I'll paste that in and hit enter. Now ChatGPT is expanding on the build quality and explaining how the Mag Speed scroll wheel actually improves navigation in long documents. This makes the review feel much more professional and insightful for a potential buyer. Next, I want to try a software review. I'll copy a new prompt from my notes, this time for the Notion productivity app. I'll paste it into ChatGPT and let it get to work. It's starting with a clear introduction and then moving into the core features like note-taking, project management, and databases. It even discusses the learning curve for new users and breaks down the difference between the free and paid plans. I'm scrolling through to check the final verdict and the overall rating it assigned to the app. To provide even more value to my readers, I'm going to create a comparison guide. I'll copy a prompt that asks for a side-by-side review of Notion versus Trello. Back in the chat, I'll paste the request and let the AI perform another web search to compare the two tools. It's generating a helpful table that looks at ease of use, pricing, and best use cases. It then breaks down which tool is better for solo freelancers versus project-heavy businesses. This kind of content is perfect for helping people make a quick decision without feeling overwhelmed. Sometimes I just need quick content for social media or a newsletter, so I'm going to generate some mini reviews. I'll copy a prompt that requests 3 short reviews for a Kindle, a portable power bank, and a wireless headset. I'll paste that into the bar and hit send. You can see how quickly it produces a concise, punchy review for each product. Each one includes the most important features, a minor limitation for honesty, and a clear verdict. I'm just scrolling through to make sure the tone remains consistent across all 3. Now, I want to create something specifically for search engines. I'll copy a prompt designed to write an SEO-optimized review for noise-canceling headphones. I'll paste this in, and ChatGPT begins organizing the content with clear headings and keywords. It's categorizing the recommendations into budget, mid-range, and premium options, featuring brands like Sony and Bose. It even includes a buying guide section to help users choose the right pair based on their specific needs, which is great for keeping readers on the page. To wrap things up, I want a reusable template that I can use for any product in the future. I'll copy my final prompt, which asks ChatGPT to create a simple, 30-minute review framework. I'll paste it into the chat and hit enter. The AI is generating a step-by-step template with fill-in-the-blank sections for the intro, core reviews, and the final verdict. It even provides a fully completed example using a power bank so I can see exactly how the finished product should look. This framework is a huge time saver and ensures that all my future reviews will be polished and professional. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.